everyone, how are you today? So today I'm gonna show you how to deep fry the shallot. We're gonna make a crispy, okay? So this one I sliced last night, you know, while I watched TV, and I sliced it, finished it, and then I put in a net like this, and I sit in the sun for 1 hour, okay? And then I put them in the house just because I want the moisture from the shallot out, okay? And let me show you how to slide. Two ways you can slide. If you have one of these at home, you can use this, okay? And then you're gonna go ahead and do like this. First you can use with your hand first, but be careful, okay? Okay, I always have to use the vegetable oil. If you have to deal something with, like, make it crispy, have to use the vegetable oil, okay? Other than that, they're gonna, after you deep fry, it's gonna be soft again, okay? So I think I used like almost half bottle of my oil. And then anyways, you know, like some people use the shallot. If you don't have time, it's like in winter time, you can put in the microwave like 1 minute or 2 minutes, okay? So what you do, you put a paper towel underneath there and put shallot on top, and then you can put in microwave 1 or 2 minutes. Is take the moisture, same way how I do at the sun today, okay? So now I just gonna wait until my oil is hot. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and test my oil, see how it's hot or not, okay? I'm gonna drop the shallot down 1 piece first. Just for a few seconds, okay? Look like it's good enough. I'm gonna go ahead and drop it down. See, I still you know, stir for slowly. Make sure it's nice and even. The heat is nice and even, so you don't want to go away or do something else, okay, while you do this. You know, you cannot burn the shallot. It don't taste good. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead pick it up, because by the time it's still, the heat still gonna continue working. Then I have the other net here. Okay, now I'm going to continue the rest of my shallot. This one I'm gonna do a little bit different, okay, guys? What I just showed you, this one you can eat with the like almost like snack too, like with bun cell or whatever. Anyway, so I put in microwave for 2 minutes, and I put flour mixed with that, and then I go ahead and drop. This give more like a crispy a little bit, okay? Gonna put this right here in the corner. There you go. I finished with my crispy fried shallot. And then what I do, I set the oil right here. You know, you can save that for like do the fry the egg for breakfast or stir fry, fried rice, anything you want. Okay, don't throw them away. So see how it's nice and crispy, very nice. Smell good. I can eat them as snack. It's my favorite.